Okay, I've got my screwdriver. Part two, guys, part two. Going up these steps here, all right? Remember this, earlier I was talking about doing this, replacing this sensing light. Now, remember, I turned off the breaker and I turned off the switch. So safety first, everybody, please. But I want to show you earlier in part one that I was not able to get this out with the tool that I had. So I'm just picking up a normal screwdriver because I know there's a screw in there in the center to change this. Like I was saying before, blindness shouldn't be an obstacle. And I'm going to start showing my videos with a blindfold because a lot of people have told me, no, I don't believe you. Okay, so I don't have a blindfold yet, but I'm going to start wearing one because it's not about me. It's about what other people are thinking in their head. So I'm going to remove this light. I'm using my left hand. I've been practicing using my left hand in case I ever need it. And I'm taking this lamp out because I think we disconnected it a couple of months ago because it was not working. And then the person that put it back on put it backwards. This sensor is supposed to be pointing down. So this is part two. I'm looking forward to your commentary because I've received comments from a lot of people on my videos, and some people have said, oh, that's stupid, I could do that, that's easy, that's a dumb video. But look, guys, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to let you know that no matter what obstacles are in front of you, that you can overcome them, and blindness shouldn't be one of them. All right. Only thing I don't do is drive. Okay, guys, I've got the light. I forgot it out. Yeah, it's not connected. As you can see, it's not connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it right here. There it is, guys. All right. I'm still here, guys. It's nobody else. I found a froggy over here a little while ago on the other side. And I think I don't have to change that. Even though it comes with a new one. I don't have to change that one. But I just have to put these cables back on. That's ground. Okay, most likely that's ground. This is not live, guys. Meaning these cables are not live. Now I just got to find out what color these are and separate them. And I think that's going to be simpler than simple. Definitely that's ground because it's the one that doesn't have the outside. So this is part two, guys. I'm going to come back in a little while. Ooh, that's dirty in there. It's supposed to be. And let you guys know what happens with this. Okay? So I'm going to take this lamp, which I'm probably going to chuck or use it for parts. I don't know. I'll chuck it. Nowadays, we don't do that kind of stuff, right? So enjoy these videos, guys. Jose Tamayo from Fort Myers. And like I always say, blindness doesn't have to be an obstacle. A lot of people have told me many different things about what I'm doing, but it's because many don't understand that what I'm really trying to show is that there shouldn't be an obstacle to blindness. I've been blind since 2003, and it was a little bit difficult in the beginning, but with perseverance, I think anybody can make it happen. Have a great day, everybody. I'll be back with part 3 soon.